these difficult, challenging times. I hope you know that I never take it for granted. I never take this for granted. Every night I thank God that He blessed me with this way to make a living and what I get to do. Everybody's got a job. You either love your job, maybe you don't love your job, maybe you're stuck in a job. My prayer for you is that you get as much satisfaction from your job as I do mine. Now, admittedly, I don't have a whole lot of life. I don't have much of a life. I'm a single guy. My wife passed away, and my kids are all grown and gone, and I don't even have a dog. And not to feel sorry for me. I got a great life, but I don't have it. It's not exactly, my social calendar isn't exactly chock full. So I'm consumed by this show, and I love spending time preparing the show and getting ready for it. And these events that we get to attend in person and meeting the people that I met last night, person after person who came up to me and handed me their business cards, and Mike, I love what you do. I love your show. They said, a couple of people with tears in their eyes, a couple of women, I love you, Mike. And that means so much to me. So, first of all, thank you for continuing to support this show. We break all kinds of records in terms of ratings and revenue. I'm proud of that. I don't like to brag. There's no other show that comes close. We are absolutely the #1 show in this company, and I'm deeply, deeply humbled by that, and I never take that for granted either. I always want to get better every day. We continue to grow and build and engage, and it is the most joyful experience of my life. So, to that Truth Warriors Club. Look, social media has blocked and demonetized colleagues of ours like Seth Gorka and Charlie Kirk. Charlie could talk about it here in a few minutes when he joins us. So I want you to become a Truth Warrior. This is a fascinating platform. All the Salem products are under one site. If you go to truthwarriors.com and sign up, as a Truth Warrior, you'll support this company and all the award-winning hosts, filmmakers, personalities, podcasts, and TV shows that are being silenced. You'll have access to hundreds of films and other conservative content that is being blocked and censored by mainstream media. Go to truthwarriors.com to sign up today. You'll be joining a club. You'll be part of a movement. And if you're tired of being silenced, you're tired of being censored, if you're tired of $65 a year. With my discount code, Mike, it comes to $44 a year. That's less than $1 a week. $4 a month. Less than $4 a month. And all this great please sign up today like the birthday boy did last night and his wife. We're going to have these real neat lapel pins with the Truth Warriors logo on it. We're going to have swag for you. We're going to have a whole lot of neat things that we'll share with you for being part of our club. Go to truthwarriors.com, enter the promo code Mike. You'll get 25% off the annual membership, and that comes to about $44 a year. Can you afford less than $1 a week to support and fight for conservative media like this show? I hope you'll consider doing so. Truthwarriors.com. Truthwarriors.com. Here comes a Truth Warrior, one of the most impressive people I've ever met. Charlie Kirk, Turning Point USA. Welcome to Charlie Kirk Show, the Charlie Kirk Podcast, the Charlie Kirk Infrastructure. Everyday aches and pains. There's a lot of things you can try. Tough it out, fight the bullet, bring it back. So many other people. Relief Factor. Relief Factor is a 100% drug-free daily supplement that helps your body fight pain naturally. Developed by a team of doctors, Relief Factor uses a unique formula of natural ingredients that have address the inflammation where pain starts. The relief factor doesn't just mask pain for a short time. It helps neck, joints, and muscles in a 3-week time. Feel better and live better. So everyday pain is affecting your body. Try Relief Factor instead. Go to ReliefFactor.com, ReliefFactor.com, or call 1-800-4 and save on your first order. That's 800-4-RELIEF. Fight pain naturally.
Now, as far as who should call in, anyone who's been injured in an accident and thinks he deserves compensation, give us a call right now. 800-504-8790. You'll find out if you have a case and how much it's potentially worth.
Thanks, John. You heard it, folks. Take advantage of this opportunity and call 800-504-8790.
Advertising sponsored by Legal Health.
Trisha Regan podcast on the Sit on Podcast
What state is suddenly all the Hispanics are going to vote for Joe Biden? And in South Atlanta, seeing in places like that, it's Hispanic, but overwhelmingly
to be thrilled with the latest action event that took place featuring President Trump last weekend in Detroit. How you been?
Well, thank you, Mike. I'm great. You just got to catch me. I knew you there, and I got
soaking up the atmosphere of a Turning Point event. You do these all year long, and that to me is pretty astounding because the work thrown into the effort to have a players for one of these on-site events must be a 24/7 operation.
Oh, it is. The entire
we could not. Can you address that a little bit? Am I oversimplifying things, or do you agree with that?
No, that's right. And look, there are a lot of elements to fraud, but let me tell you what the greatest fraud is in the 2024 election. The greatest fraud will be the American people who agree with us not voting. That is the greatest fraud now, and we need to repeat that over and over again. I can't tell you how many people I run into, and it's horrifying, that agree with us, that share our worldview, that share our values, that have not registered to vote and do not plan to vote in November. That's terrifying. And I am more of the cautionary guy in the room. Everybody thinks we're going to win big. Again, if it was all a fair election, that's absolutely true. I'm actually less worried about how they're quote-unquote going to do their rigging. I am more concerned about how we have traded low propensity voters for high propensity voters. This is the buried lead of the Trump movement right now, and it is very exciting, but it's also very concerning. It's exciting to all of a sudden say, wow, Donald Trump can draw a crowd of a couple thousand people in the Bronx. But you know which car this is? How stupid. He's doing work with baby boomer voters. He's doing work with
what are you looking at, you dumb rich snob?
For the baby boomers in your audience, there's plenty that still support him. But he is losing with the baby boomer vote, and according to many polls.
Fucking snob, I'm watching me.
And so the baby boomers vote in huge numbers. They vote in massive numbers. Low propensity voters don't vote in high numbers. So our full focus needs to be, number one, trying to win back some of those higher propensity voters that used to really be very Republican, but for whatever reason have drifted towards Biden. And secondly, trying to go and register and get out as many low propensity voters as we can. This is the task in front of us, Mike. It's very, very scary if we do not win. And look, you're watching footage right now on the Salem News Channel about these long lines back in 2020. All things being equal, if we drive high turnout, I think we are going to be ultimately successful. However, I don't know if we have the machine or the apparatus to be able to do that yet. We're trying to build that.